Hello guys, welcome to PyPower Projects. So now let's begin with the tutorial for Pandas using Python, absolutely for Python. So what is Pandas for? So Pandas is basically a kind of framework for Python to handle the files. It's like a spreadsheet with programming. So you can program your spreadsheet as per your requirements. So Pandas is basically if you want to explore some data set stored in your CSV file, you do extract certain set of information. If you kind of related with SQL, you would be finding Pandas in a more beautiful or a different way of looking at it. So this is what Pandas is for. So now you need to see when should you start using Pandas. Before Pandas, I would recommend you to explore some features of NumPy library. How does Pandas fit into Data Science Toolkit? As we discussed, Pandas can explore informations from the files. So in real life example, when you go for data science or machine learning for plotting some things on Matplotlib, you need Pandas. Pandas is a tool to extract specific information. It's like a spreadsheet with programming. Then you need to install Pandas. Conda install Pandas and pip install Pandas. You can accordingly write in your prompt and get this Pandas.